Hello guys and welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Charlie Fox and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a crisp sandwich.
First thing to do is butter the bread. So there is the butter on there. And we are using cheese and onion crisps. Go the crisps. And now I give it a cut. I did squash it down to give it a good crunch inside. This is the final result
Of what the crisps look like in the sandwich.
And now
Let's do a taste test of the crisp sandwich, cheese and onion flavour crisp. I'm going to rate that a 9 out of 10 because it's just crisps and there's nothing else in the sandwich. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you again in the next video.